Hey guys, Dana here. We all know wearing masks suck. When I go to the grocery store, sometimes I look around and think, these are some really weird times we have nowadays. We hear a lot of opposing information about wearing masks. We hear we should wear masks, and then we hear they don't really work, especially for people who have respiratory problems. So what is a girl to do? Well, in our county, it's mandatory to use a mask. And of course, we just want to protect ourselves as much as we can. So we do wear our masks. We also work to build up our immune system, and we do a couple of things to our masks to make them a little bit more bearable. And we believe provide more protection for ourselves. I'm going to show you these today. They can support the respiratory system, soothe anxious feelings, and support your immune system and make your mask smell so much better and more fresh. The biggest complaints that I hear about wearing a mask are not being able to breathe or shortness of breath, which can really cause anxious feelings, fatigue, poor mental focus, headaches, and people just don't like leaving the mask on and smelling their own breath or just smelling the mask in general. Essential oils freshen our mask. They can affect your mood and your body. When you inhale the oils, they can actually affect your limbic system and your respiratory systems and other systems of your body. Each essential oil comes from different plants, so they have a myriad of different benefits that they can offer for different systems in your body. So I'm using specific oils to target specific areas of the body or problems that you may or may not have. I'll show you how to apply them, and then we can go over which oil to use for which problem. First thing that you're gonna do is grab your mask, and you're just gonna take the essential oil that you're using. Right now I have this one, it's called Citrus Bliss, which is it smells like an orange sickle. It smells really good. And all you're gonna do is open it up. This is so simple, guys, but it's something really nice to do before you go into the store with your mask on. It just eases the feelings. So what you're gonna do is you just take one drop and you're gonna put it on the side, and then you're gonna put one more drop on this side if you want. You can start off with one drop at a time, because if you're not used to essential oils, they're pretty strong and they're very potent. So I would recommend starting off with just a drop at first. And then you're just gonna rub the mask together like this. It smells so good. That is if you like orange creamsicles. This one smells amazing. And then just kind of air it out a little bit, especially if you're using like a peppermint oil or something that's really strong. And then you're just gonna go ahead and put it on. And that's it. Okay, so now which oil do you use? That's usually the next question. First of all, not all oils are created equally. So anything that I'm telling you about today, this is gonna be for doTERRA oils, because they are certified pure therapeutic grade. And I wouldn't use any other oil for this reason, because I feel like if you have other oils that might have synthetics in them, or they're adulterated with other things, then I don't want to put that into my body. I don't want to breathe it in. I don't want to put it on topically or take it in internally too. So that's why I only use doTERRA oils. I believe that pureness matters, and especially when it comes to synthetic fragrance, it's really bad for your body. So you want to use things that are natural, because when you have this on your face, you're going to be breathing it in, and that's obviously going inside your body. So you don't want to have synthetics. And also you want to use something pure that has other benefits to your body, because why put something on like you're spraying just alcohol on your mask or some type of synthetic fragrance on your mask, and then you're going to be breathing that in. It's not good for you at all. So one that is pretty popular that people like to put on, it's lavender essential oil. This one is really going to help with anxious feelings. It's going to help calm your mood. It eases feelings of tension. Number 2 is Serenity. So Serenity is a blend of different oils. It has lavender, marjoram, Roman chamomile, ylang ylang, and it has some warming oils in there as well, which is Hawaiian sandalwood and then vanilla bean. So it smells really good, and this is something that you can put on your mask. This is also going to be a very soothing and calming blend to put on. Number 3 is balance oil. So balance oil was created for balancing and stabilizing your mood. It's sweet and woody and perfect for promoting feelings of balance and tranquility. Balance oil can actually ease anxious feelings as well. So balance oil has spruce, whole wood, blue tansy, blue chamomile, and frankincense essential oils in it. Number 4, citrus oils are also really great to put in your mask. So the one that I used, which was the Citrus Bliss, this is a citrus oil, but it's mixed with some other things. So citrus is always very uplifting. It's going to boost your mood, very cleansing. So oils like lemon, wild orange, grapefruit, bergamot, these are all citrus oils. They're very cleansing and they smell really good too. It's kind of like if you ever open up an orange and you smell how good the orange smells, you are actually smelling the essential oil of the orange. And it always just kind of makes you smile. Number 5 is peppermint. Peppermint is really good for focus and clear breathing. So it's going to help support the respiratory system. It's good for focus and fatigue. Another oil that's really good for this is eucalyptus. Number 6, On Guard. On Guard is one of my very, very favorite oils because of what it does. It's known as the protective blend. It's a blend of about 7 different essential oils. Wild orange peel, clove bud, cinnamon leaf, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus leaf, rosemary leaf and flower. It's woody and spicy and it smells like Christmas. So On Guard is going to support your body's natural defenses, your immune system and respiratory systems as well. It helps you stay strong against environmental and seasonal threats. Number 7 is doTERRA Breathe. And just like the name says, that's what it helps you do. So Breathe has laurel leaf, peppermint, eucalyptus, melaleuca, lemon, cardamom, Revinsara. I'm not sure if I'm saying that one correctly. It helps to maintain feelings of clear airways and easy breathing while minimizing the effects of seasonal threats. Number 8 is peppermint, also one of my favorites. So peppermint is going to help to support the respiratory system. When you breathe in peppermint, you're just going to really feel everything open up. You can also do something called the Peppermint Experience, which I will link to this video and I'll show you how to do it. So with the peppermint, you can do the Peppermint Experience first, and then you can put your mask on and you will get the benefits that way too. Or you can still put the peppermint directly into your mask, but just remember peppermint is extra, extra strong. It's like 1 drop is equal to I think it's 50 cups of peppermint tea, so you can only imagine. So now I'm gonna go over some different benefits of the oils that I talked about, just a couple of them. So say if you did pick up one of these oils, then you're gonna have multiple uses for that oil. So lavender is the first one we're gonna go over. So lavender is a great oil. It's probably the most common oil that people use. It's known for relaxation. So it's a really good oil to put on pillows. You can put it on the bottom of your feet before you go to sleep. You can make a linen spray out of it. Serenity is great for that too. And you can just spray it on your linens. It's very relaxing. You can keep a bottle on hand to soothe different skin irritations. It's great for that. You can also take it internally in a cup of water just to help reduce anxious feelings as well. You can even use it when you're cooking. So say if you put some sort of citrus inside your dish, you can actually put lavender in it to kind of offset it sometimes if you need to do that. You can use it for a flavorful twist to different marinades, baked goods, desserts. There's a lot of different DIYs you can do with lavender and other oils too, like fizzy bath bombs, Epsom salt baths with lavender. You can put some in your hair conditioner, providing you're using a natural hair conditioner. You can use it to spray down your yoga mat. So Balance is another really great oil that you can use, and Balance, like I said earlier, is going to help to ground you. So Balance is really good if you just put it on your wrists or the back of your neck, and it's really going to help to ease anxious feelings. Balance is a really good oil to use when you're doing long road trips, or you have to drive to work every day, because it's just going to help to ground you and you're going to have a better trip for sure, especially if you have kids in the car. It just creates a nice soothing environment. I like to put it in Epsom salts for sure and then take a bath. Serenity is another great blend. So this one is really nice to use at nighttime. I like to diffuse it in the room before going to sleep. Great for kids, great for adults. You can put it on the bottom of your feet as well, or down the spine. You can actually just take the bottle and inhale it straight from the bottle. So the citrus oils are great because they're very cleansing. So you can put the citrus oils into your water and it's gonna just help with a nice light cleanse. Helps to clean the petrochemicals out of your body. It's very gentle. It tastes great. If you don't really want to drink your water, it's a way that helps you to actually like to drink your water. Citrus oils are very uplifting. They're actually known as the happy oil because it actually boosts your mood. They're very energizing, so you can take it in the afternoon. Peppermint's great for this too. If you're kind of feeling a little tired in the afternoon, You can just take it out and breathe it, rub it on your wrists, your like your temples, the back of your neck. You can put it in your water as well. If you want more in-depth information about any of these oils, just put it down in the comments, and I'd love to do more videos on anything specific that you're interested in. I will put some links in the description for different bundles if you'd like to get any oil. I'll also have some links below with different kits that have like diffusers inside, and they have like just like 3 basic oils or 1 oil. And if you'd like to get something, that would be really awesome. You can shop on my website, and I'll put some diffuser blends in the description too. I'm also including some studies in the description if you want to read up on PubMed about some studies that are done with essential oils. There's a lot more on PubMed. Just go ahead and type it in there and you can research for yourself. I also have this little A to Z guidebook that I would love to send to somebody. So if I get a lot of comments on this video, I'll put your names into a Google spinner, and I will send the winner a to Z guide, which is great because you can actually look up any ailments, or you can look up any oil, and it tells you what you can use it for. It's great. I love this little book. It's great to have it in your purse, and you can pull it out anytime, and you can help other people with it too. So guys, I hope this helps. I hope that when you go into the grocery store or wherever you need to use a mask, whether it's work or shopping or wherever you need to go with you and your family, if you just use these little tips, I hope that you'll enjoy it as much as we do, and it just makes you feel a little bit better having your essential oil in there and you're smelling it so you know it's active, and it helps with respiratory, it helps with those anxious feelings, and it just smells so good. I love Citrus Bliss. This one you gotta try. It's so yummy. I would also really appreciate it if you know somebody who might like to watch this video or might like some of these oils for their masks or for other things, then to please forward this video along to them with the links. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day.